Hey there, space explorers. Today, we're going to talk about something big, bright, and super important to all of us. Our sun. Billions of years ago, space looked very different. Imagine a huge cloud of gas and dust floating in space. It was like cosmic fog. But then something amazing happened. Gravity, like a super strong magnet, started pulling the gas and dust together into a tight ball. As everything got tighter and tighter, it got super hot. So hot that the gas started to glow and boom, the sun was born. Now, the sun shines brightly, giving us warmth, light, and energy. It's like a giant ball of fire in the sky, helping all life on Earth. Thanks to the sun's gravity, planets, including Earth, started to form around it, and that's how our amazing solar system came to life. So, next time you see the sun, remember how it was born and how it's our big friendly star in space. Thank you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun space stories.